On the way to Gattaca Tower. We're sweating balls. This is hard. Oh my god. We're gonna meet the mother-in-law of Alex Fanta. So stay tuned. The Galata Tower, it's so famous all around the world. British is dying in the back. The Galata Tower is the icon of Istanbul. People queue for 1 hour to get there on the top for the sunset. And I went once, it was madness. The most beautiful sunset of Istanbul. Allez mon amour, we're almost there. Oh là là. It's 2 p.m. outside temperature 28 degrees. Before it was raining and now it's good, we feel warm and toasty. She lives here. Wow, we are really at the bottom of the tower. Et voilà, we have found the best spot in the world. So look, Gattaca Tower is just behind me. And we are here. Salut my love! He's also selfieing. Oh my goodness. Bon bah merci Alex, hein. On t'aime. Happy birthday, we love you. Wow, this is crazy.
Okay, but yes.
And the tower, look. So beautiful. Yeah, that place is nice.
Big Audi.
Why are you driving here? Huh?
I would prefer something sweet right now.
Bon, maybe we have COVID, so we're gonna eat a fruit shake to feel better. Time for a fresh juice. Salam alaikum.
Can we get 2 pineapple and orange?
Mix.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cancel each other.
Welcome to Istanbul.
Welcome to Istanbul. Pineapple orange. No, we buy paracetamol. Namaste. Ones.
What the fuck is this? Beat mix.
Is this controller for Snowy? Tiens, hold this. Look at my hands. It's like one time my hands. I don't know if they will have here. Na 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 na.